If you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't know where to begin, it is easier than ever if you do it right. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly what to do step by step. Hi beautiful people, this is your girl Peju. I am PejuRoyal. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are welcome. In this channel, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to start and grow your YouTube channel. If this sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. So guys, let's go right into today's tutorial. The number one thing you need as a beginner that wants to start a YouTube channel is to decide your niche. What do I mean by deciding your niche? You know, we have a lot of niche on YouTube. So you look for what resonates with you. Look for what you can teach people. Look for what some people, when people come to your channel, they are going to be learning one or two things. So look for a niche that even if you are sleeping and they wake you up, you can always talk about it. Also, the advantage of picking a niche is because you are going to be for a particular set of audience on YouTube. You know, as big as YouTube is, we have several audience. People have their interests, so that it will not be like today you do a vlog, tomorrow you do a lifestyle, and next tomorrow you do an entertainment content. So that make sure you pick a particular niche so that whenever you post a video, YouTube will know the type of audience to push your videos to. And this takes us to my number three. The number three on my list, if you want to start a YouTube channel, is to pick a channel name. How do you pick a channel name? I usually advise people that whenever they want to pick a name for their channel, they should make their name to be their brand name. Even if you want to attach anything to your name, like PejuRoyal right now. So I had to attach the Royal to my name. It's still okay like that. So make sure you use your name as your brand name. And this takes us to number three on my list. The number three thing to do as a total beginner that wants to start a YouTube channel is to set up your channel properly. How do you set up your channel properly? Number one thing to do if you want to set up your channel and you want your channel to look professional, is to create your channel banner. Make sure whatever you want to put on your channel indicates what you are going to be doing on your channel. You add your profile picture. That is number two. And the third thing to do is to write short bio. Make sure what you are going to be writing on your bio, it is what you are going to be doing on your channel, so that whenever people come to your channel, they will know that this is what this channel is all about. This takes us to our number four. The number four on our list is to create your first three videos. Yes, even before you start post. The reason why I say you should create your first three videos is because, you know, as a total beginner, when you post your first video, you post your second video, by the time you post your third video, you must have create probably like two videos that you are going to be posting on your channel, so that you are not going to be taking a break for a long time. Also, make sure that the video you are going to be creating on your channel is a kind of video that is going to add values to people, that when people come to your channel and watch this particular video, they will always come back because they know that, oh, they learn one or two things. And this takes us to number five. You see that number five on my list, it is very, very important. The reason why I said the number five on my list is very, very important is because so many people have ideas, they have their niche, but they did not post. The reason why they did not post is because some people felt like their phone isn't good enough. Who says your phone isn't good enough? Who says you need supplementary lighting before you shoot your video? Like I am shooting this video right now, I am using natural light. Also, your phone camera is okay, you can use it. The only thing I usually tell people before you film your video, make sure you clean your camera lens and you use your back camera to shoot your video. If you do all these things, believe me, your video is going to come out clean. Also, we have several editing apps that can help you to start your journey. We have CapCut, we have InShot, we have VN. If you feel CapCut is on a pro side, you can use InShot or VN. I use both InShot and VN to edit my video because I cannot afford CapCut right now. So guys, if this video helps, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified by YouTube. Until I come your way next time with more beginner friendly tips on how to start and grow your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.